Bonjour, I'm 𝘎𝘦𝘮𝘮𝘢 with 𝘬𝘰𝘯𝘪𝘐 Hallmark Your Group, and I'm back to bust a few more real estate myths. Myth 2. If your bank account says you can afford it, you should buy it. How many of us bought a house during COVID and the bank said we could get approved? How many of us completely disregarded the fact that those rates could go up and everything could backfire? We were definitely talking more about COVID than inflation, weren't we? Let's say this container represents your means, your earning potential, and this liquids represent your financial responsibilities. Now the bank looks at the container and determines how much of a mortgage you can qualify for. Looks like you got a lot of wiggle room, right? It's important to be as honest as possible with yourself and do some hard math. Buying a house should improve your quality of life, not add stress and financial pressure. The first thing that you want to look at is job security. If things get shaky, does your family stay secure? Okay, not too bad. Looks like we can weather some ups and downs. But let's not forget, buying a house is going to need a deposit, not just a down payment. I mean cash on the table. And I'm not talking about 5K like the good old days. I'm talking 20K at least. Now we need to be honest about your goals. Do you have a family? Those costs are going to definitely affect your means. How about education, leisure, travel, retirement? And what about those rates that are on the rise? Okay, looks like we got everything contained. Unless things get shaky again. Uh-oh, looks like we've gone beyond our means and we're filling up another container. And what's this one called? The most important thing for me is to help good people make good decisions so they can set their family up for success, even in the bumpiest time. Just because your bank account says you can, doesn't mean you should. Myth busted. If you heard other rumors about real estate and you would like me to set them straight, comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.